Hello, Pipa and George. Are you playing? Wow, they are playing.
Mom, that's it to Mom. That's it to floor.
Pipa is so busy playing with the shoelace. She forgot how to get out of the cage, mom. She forgot how to get out of the cage. She is feeding George. Look, she is playing. Look, Pipa is playing. Look, she is. Allah. You didn't see it. Pipa fell down from the roof of the cage to the floor of the cage. But it's okay for the bird to fell down, not the baby and the kids. It's not okay for the kids to fell down, but the birds, it's okay because they have wings, correct?
Oh, they're cute.
It's okay for them because they have wings.
They have fluffy fur.
Baby Jico and the kids don't have wings, that's why it's not okay. So they get used to feeding the seeds with our hands. Feeding the seed using our hands, using our fingers. So okay. It's now okay. It's now okay. They get used to it. They have been doing it since week number 2.
Welcome.
So parang ayaw nila ng kulay itim na seed. So there is a black seed. Let's look if they will eat the black seed.
Mama, did you buy fork? Can I have fork, please? I'm down. Mama, I want milk.
Pipa is playing with the shoelace. See you again tomorrow, Pipa and George.